Get into the 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, intermittent wipers, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.